Hello everyone, welcome back to my Chinese language class. I hope you are all doing well and improving your Chinese step by step. In today's lesson, we are going to study 她买了不少衣服. She has bought quite a few clothes. Today's focus is very important because we will learn how to talk about past actions using 了. 这个是了. First of all, we have a little warm-up activity. Match the pictures with the words phrase. First of all, we have pingwa, means apple. The answer is D. The second one is ch. It's mean car. The answer is A. The third one is ifu. The answer is B. The fourth one is shangdian, means shop. The answer is F. The fifth one is shudian. The answer is E, means bookstore. The sixth one is Ingyushu. It's mean English book. The answer is C. Now let's moving forward our first text in the dome. 在宿舍昨天上午你去哪儿了? Where did you go yesterday morning? 我去商店买东西了. I went shopping. 你买什么了? What did you buy? 我买了一点苹果. I bought some apples. In this text, we have three new words. First one is 东西 means stuff. 一点 means few, little. And the third one, 苹果 means apple. Now we are going to moving forward our second text. In the company, 在公司. The first dialogue is 你看见郑先生了吗? Have you seen Mr. Zhang? 看见了，他去学开车了。Yes, he has gone to a driving lesson. 他什么时候能回来? When can he come back? 40分钟后回来 after 40 minutes. In this text, we have some new words. 7 new words. 看见 to see. 先生 Mr. and Sir. 开 to drive. 车 car or vehicle. The eighth one is 回来 to come back. 分钟 minute. 后 afterwards later. And we have a proper noun means name. Chang. Chang is a Chinese family name. Now let's moving forward. The last text. Outside a store. 在商店门口。王芳的衣服太漂亮了。王芳's dress is so pretty. 是啊，她买了不少衣服。Yes, she has bought quite a few clothes. 你买什么了? What did you buy? 我买这些都是王芳的东西。I bought nothing. 我也买 I bought nothing. 这些都是王芳的东西。All these are Wang Fang stuff. In this text, we have some new words, 6 new words. First one is 衣服 means clothes. 漂亮 beautiful, pretty. A model, practical, used at the end of a sentence as a sign of confirmation or defense. 少 little, few. 不少 quite a few or many. 这些 these. 多 both and all. So today's we learned how to talk about past actions using le, how to describe shopping activities, how to express the quantity, how to describe things as beautiful, how to talk about future time after minutes. That's all for today's lesson. If you enjoyed this video, like, share and subscribe. Keep practicing Chinese every day. 再见，拜拜。